Hi everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to use a receive task and a send task in Camunda. So this will be just a demo of how you can send a message and also receive that message and complete the task or the process using send task and receive task. So firstly, to start this process, you have to download your Camunda starter, initial starter package, which comes from start.camunda.com, and open the package in IntelliJ. And what I've created here is a simple process with a receive task. The ID is receive task, and there's a global message reference, but I'm not using this. And then if this task is completed, then it will go into a print something task, which is a service task, which is a Java delegate. And there's a send task, which also branches off from the main start of the process. The process is called receive task process. So once the receive task is started, it goes to both these directions, and here it waits for 10 seconds. And you know that once it goes to the receive task, unless it receives a message, it waits there. So it waits for 15 seconds here at the timer, and then it sends a message using the same send delegate. So in the send task, what you are doing is, so the implementation for the receive task is there's no implementation, it just receives message. So in the send task, there's an implementation. You have to go to the send. I've created a class called send. Here it's a Java delegate, and it prints that I am in the send task delegate. Now take the runtime service and from the delegate execution variable, you get the process engine and get the runtime service. Now you create an execution by doing a query delegate execution get process engine services dot runtime service, or you could have taken the same runtime service, and create an execution query with an activity ID as a receive task and which is active, and from that list get the 0, the first one. So that will be the most recent one, which is what we have started here, which will start here. So once 15 seconds is finished, it starts the send task, and it sends the runtime service sends a signal to this execution ID to finish the task. Then you should see the print message. So let me demo this. So I'll start the process. So once you start the process, in the main process, I have started receive task process. So in the application main file, you have this command line runner, and it says started receive task process, runtime service dot start process test by key receive task process. So that's it. It waits there, and then after 15 seconds, it goes to send task delegate, and then the send task sends the signals the receive task to receive the
suppression.
it prints the message. So that's how